Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So let me show you an update for Aimogen which was requested by you guys. And basically you will be able to upload images using Vision for the chatbot, and the plugin will be able to automatically delete these images after a period of time. So let me show you how this will work. A new feature was added to the latest update of Aimogen. In the AI chatbot menu settings tab, you will see AI Vision settings and chatbot AI Vision uploaded files expiration date. You will be able to set here an expiration date for uploaded files. You can set dynamic dates like +1 day or +1 week, +2 days, as you wish, and I set here +1 day, for example. And in this case, if I enable Vision for the chatbot, as you can see that the chatbot does not have Vision active now, you will be able to use this feature. So we enter here +1 day to keep images only 1 day, and in the persona selector, API parameters, so in the API parameters tab, you will need to select a model which support Vision, which has Vision in next to the model name, and you will see a new settings, enable chatbot Vision, set this to on and save. So after you enabled Vision, you will see in the chatbot this button. So we will be able to ask the chatbot what is this image about, and also upload a image for Vision. So let's open this, submit, and you can see the image was uploaded to the chatbot, and you will be able to talk to the chatbot based on this image. Okay, so now let's go to our media, and we will be finding the image uploaded to the chatbot. And if you go and see here on the bottom right of the page, enable expiration, and expiration date is set to tomorrow. So current date is 18th, and the expiration date is set to tomorrow, the 19th of July 2024. So note that this will be able to be used also for other media items manually. So if you want to use this expiration manually, you can also set an expiration day for media items that you have on your site. So for example, we can set an expiration date like this, and this specific media item will be automatically deleted by the plugin at this date if you have the checkbox also checked. Okay, so if you want to disable this, leave everything empty and close. So keep in mind that you will be able to do this for images uploaded to the plugin using the AI Vision, and also the PDF uploaded feature. So if you want to use this for the PDF chat, you will find it also here, uploaded PDF files expiration date. You will be able to set similarly +1 day, for example, to be used as the expiration day for uploaded PDF files to your server by the PDF chat feature. Okay, so this is the latest update. You will be able to benefit of this in the settings. Also keep in mind that you will be able to use it in your media library as a standalone feature, as the plugin adds now the expiration for media library items also for manual use, besides of the automatic use that I just showed you. So if you use Vision, you will be able to automatically expire uploaded images and also PDF files for the PDF chat, and you will be able to do it manually for other items also. Okay, so let me know what you think about this new update. Aimogen is linked in this video's description. Go ahead and check the latest update of it, as this is just one point from the other many points that were changed and improved and new functionality added to the plugin in the latest update. If you have more ideas or suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. Aimogen is linked in this video description. Thank you for watching. Until then, like, share, subscribe. It's really appreciated. Bye bye.